Here is a big one. Napping. Who doesn't love napping? Some people don't. I do. It's a big practice in many cultures, from the siestas to the tea times to it's the afternoon break. So here are the do's and don'ts of napping. Napping can be a great way to recharge and boost your body levels, but it's important to do it right to ensure you get the most benefits. Here are some of the do's and don'ts for optimal nap sleep hygiene. Here are the do's. Keep it short. Aim for a nap of about 20-30 minutes max. This is long enough to help you feel refreshed, but not so long that you enter the deep sleep, which can leave you feeling groggy and disoriented. Choose the right time. Ideally, you should nap in the early afternoon between 1 and 4 kind of time. This is when our natural energy dips and a nap can help restore it. Create a comfortable environment. Find a quiet, cool, and dark place to nap. Use a comfortable pillow, a blanket if needed. Use an alarm. Set an alarm to ensure you don't sleep for too long. Experiment. Everyone is different, so experiment with nap length and timing to find what works best for you. And here are the don'ts. Don't nap too late. Napping too late in the day can interfere with your nighttime sleep and leave you feeling more tired. Don't nap too long. Napping for too long can leave you feeling groggy and disoriented. Don't nap in an uncomfortable place. Avoid napping in places with bright light, loud noise, or uncomfortable temperature. Don't nap if you have trouble sleeping at night. If you have trouble sleeping at night, napping during the day can make it even harder to fall asleep at night. Don't use napping as a substitute for good sleep habits. Napping should not be used as a substitute for getting enough sleep at night. Make sure you're following good sleep hygiene practices, such as sticking to a regular sleep schedule and avoiding caffeine and alcohol before going to bed. By establishing healthy sleep habits, you can improve the quality of your sleep, feel more rested and alert during the day, and reduce your risk of developing sleep-related health problems such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and other sleep disorders. With a little effort and dedication, anyone can develop healthy sleep habits and enjoy the many benefits of a good night's sleep.